What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to lead you through a salmon recipe that can be done over pretty much any campfire. Just need some heavy duty grilling tin foil and some simple spices, a little bit of olive oil, you'll be all set. Stay tuned. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get your trusty dusty axe and get your firewood going, nice and split up. Something quick that'll burn up quick so you can coal it out fast. And yeah, get you something that you like that'll produce some good smoke for you. Alright, so we got some homemade fire starters here. We're going to give them a shot. Looks like it's some pellets with some wax inside an egg carton type thing. It looks pretty neat. Thank you for trying my amazing little fire starters. Hope you liked them. Love, my cousin Caleb. So, let's check them out. Drop a couple in here. Gonna start with 2 just for good luck. Get one lit and we'll see how it goes. Looks like it's going so far. Wind didn't put it out yet. All right, looks like we got a little bit of a fire going, so we'll build that up and we'll get it coaled out. And then we're gonna take you into the kitchen and we'll get it seasoned up and we will get her wrapped up, put it directly on the coals, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got a piece of king right here, midsection, and then we got a tail piece on the coho, and I know that's going to be the best one. So we're going to try some pineapple teriyaki on the coho tail. It's just simple grill mates. Should be very, very awesome. And then we'll do some smokehouse maple on the king midsection there. These have been vacuum sealed, frozen for a short time. Was going to thaw them out to take them camping. Well, I had them frozen. Was going to take them camping yesterday, but a bunch of stuff fell through. It is what it is. So we were just going to do this video at a campsite, but no biggie. We're going to get these rinsed. We're going to get them dabbed off. We're going to get them seasoned and laid out. And we're still waiting on our campfire to coal out. And we will proceed. Alright, so what did I say? Smokehouse maple on the king. So we got these dabbed off with the paper towel, front and back. And what we'll actually do is we'll just do a little tiny massage of some EVOO on there, just to give them a little glaze and non-stick action to the, especially on the skin side, to the tinfoil packs we're going to put them in. That's probably the most important, is just so there's some on the skin side there. So just rub a little bit in there on the ends, very simple, and we'll let the grill mates do the talking. So smokehouse maple on the king. It's already getting in there nice and good. We're going to put a good dusting on there, like a rub pretty much at this point. I'm just going to press that in. Let it stick a little bit. Take that out of the way. Get it on both sides here. A little good dusting on that side. Good dusting on that side. Get that skin going a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Alright. Let that one chill. Get your hand rinsed off a little bit. Just to separate it. And we got the coho piece. We're going to do pineapple teriyaki. Again, just grill mates. These are $2 pretty much anywhere you can find them, especially like a Walmart or something. We're going to do the same thing. A little dab of olive oil. Get that on there. Just as a little binder. On the back a little bit. Just to keep that skin from sticking to your tin foil. Cool. And I asked the wife which one she wanted as far as seasonings goes, and she said pineapple teriyaki. And we know the coho is going to be the best eating, so I'm going to have her try what sounds good to her, plus the best eating fish right off the rip. So, let that set in there. It's absorbing quite nicely. Ain't really much to do there. We'll get the end piece. Get that skin nice and worked around there. And we'll just let that chill, because we still got to wait for the fire to cool out. So, got your beautiful salmons nice and lubed up and seasoned. And stay tuned. Alright, so we got your 30 micron real heavy duty drilling tin foil here. Just going to get a nice piece off. Take your piece. I'm going to go for the king real quick here. Just going to lay that side down. And just going to do a simple roll up on each side. And just make sure we can get some smoke flavor in there. Like so. And just have a nice surface. Get some smoke on top. Give it some room. Kind of maybe get a little coating on the top. Would be nice. So we'll just do that. Real simple foil pack. And we'll do that with the coho. Real simple. Leave some room there for heat to escape and some smoke to get in. There we go. Alright, fire's starting to get there. And we're just gonna shuffle it around. Some of them coals back in there. Spread it out. Oh yeah. Don't need too much for salmon because, you know, it's fish. We get it inside about 140 and we're all set. So we'll check that too with the thermometer. Alright, so we're getting pretty close to cold out to where we want to be. So we'll just let it settle down for a couple more minutes and we'll put them on. Alright, so right about now, it's light out still, but our coals are cooking real good, and we're just going to put our pieces where we see them fit. There's the king, and there is the coho. Alright, the finished product awaits. We got coho going out at, let's see. Let's see what we got. A little bit under 150. So coho is all set to go. We'll do it a little bit more well done for the first timer. And then the king, we got, here we go. What do we got for the king? King. Right in the middle of the fillet. A little bit over 130. Probably go to more 140, but I'm cool with it. Ready to go. Some onions and honey on that one too. Smokehouse maple on the king. Let's go. Salmon time. What you got?
I got me some salmon.
How's it looking?
It looks like a restaurant cooked it. Restaurant ribble.
Give it a taste. You said you haven't had salmon in 10 years at least?
At least.
There's no skin, so you don't have to worry about it. Might need to watch for bones though, but maybe not.
Alright, here goes nothing.
I had a taste test.
That does not taste bad at all.
No?
No.
Well, why? We shouldn't do
A
that.
little bit of honey and onion on it to finish it off before I pulled it off.
That's good.
And that's the tail piece too, so it probably don't have any bones.
Definitely does not taste like the salmon that I had before and didn't like.
Well, that's good.
Which was something frozen or whatever? Or?
I have no idea what it was. It was my dad's.
Oh.
What is that piece? What is that little dangly thing?
Just a piece of the where it meets the spine bone.
It's kind of like the salmon pee-pee?
No, it's not. I promise. It was a tail piece. If you don't want to eat it, that's fine.
I don't want to eat
Dog
that
will
part.
take it. That's the honey teriyaki. Or wait, pineapple teriyaki.
Pineapple teriyaki?
Yep.
Good job, babe.
Well, thank you.
Happy wife.
Alright, so we got a piece of my king here. So good looking. Let's see. I'm just going to give it one taste because apparently everybody expected me to make dinner. So.
Yes, you did.
And I only had 2 pieces from, because that's all I was going to take camping yesterday for me and the wife. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Smokehouse maple on the kings, baby. Let's go. Alright, Dad, you can have a taste test that.
Well, no, you can have it.
No, you can have what you want.
I'm going to split it with you. That's what I'm going to do.
I should have thawed more out.
Yeah, but I'll split it with you.
Here, you got to taste test it.
It's fine.
No, it ain't. You got to do it for the camera. Alright, well that's how it's done. Wood fired salmon in your backyard. Take it easy, everybody.